Today we'll look at how to add music to your video in Davinci Resolve. I've created a project here and I'm on the edit page. I'm using the free version of Davinci Resolve 20, but this should work with any recent Davinci release. You can see here I've added some video to my timeline. Let's add some music to it. So to do this, I'm going to go to the media pool here. If you don't see the media pool, toggle this button here, media pool. Now I'll right click and I'll say import media. Now I have two versions of the music I want to add, an MP3 version and a WAV version. They're both okay. I'll use the MP3 version. I'll click open. And now that it's imported, I'll click and drag it, and I'll put it on this audio track here. Now if I play my video, you'll hear the music. So like editing a video, we can edit our music track as well. Let me zoom out for a bit. I'll use the selection tool here, and I'll shorten it. Now there's a few things you may want to do with your audio once you've imported it. You can change the volume. If I hover the cursor over here, you see these two arrows. I can drag up and down to change the volume. So I can make it really quiet, so I can play it like this. But I can go and make it louder. Let's do this. There it is. Something you can also do with music is fade it in and out. So over here, if I hover over my music track, there's this little white indicator. I can click and drag it, and this will control the fade in. So if I play my video and music, you can see it fades in. And we can do the same thing for fading out. So in the back, the sound will fade out here. And by the way, you can do the same thing with video if you like. So on my video track, I can also fade it in. And there comes the video fading in like that. If you want to reset it, just click the little indicator and drag it back, like so. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, check out my crash course video right here on YouTube. It gives an overview of all the essential features. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.